Welcome to my channel. How 192.168.1.250 powers your local network. 1. It's just a local address, not the internet. That number isn't the internet. It's not public. Nobody outside your home sees it. Without it, information sent would have no way of knowing where to go. 2. It usually belongs to extenders. When you type 192.168.1.250 and a login page pops up, you're probably talking to your Wi-Fi extender. That's a common default for Netgear and a few others. 3. It helps manage your extender. This is basically the control panel, dashboard. You log in here, you tweak stuff like SSID, passwords, band settings, whatever. All this is crucial if you want to run your devices without any hindrance. 4. It lives in a private network range. There's a whole chunk of IPs reserved for home networks. 192.168. X is one of them. With this address, your devices know where to send the information fetched from the internet and how to store settings. 5. Your router hands out addresses around it. Your router is basically the mailman here. It gives every device an address so they don't start stepping on each other. It's like 192.168.1.11 is your device particular address, just like your home address. 6. When you cannot access it. If that login page won't open, you're either not connected to the extender, on the wrong network, or you changed the IP earlier and forgot. Yes, happens way more than people admit. 7. Extender's IP gets changed automatically. When the extender pairs with your router, it may grab a different address. So your current IP may stop working. Just check your router device list to see what it has changed to. It's usually there, roaming with a name. 8. It's not dangerous to visit. Typing this in your browser doesn't mean you'll get hacked. Worst case, you just land on a login screen. Ignore the Reddit threads, it's perfectly normal. 9. You need login credentials. You'll need the username and password. If you don't remember them, they're probably still the factory ones, which you should change, by the way. Please change them. Old default logins are easier to hack. 10. It keeps things organized. IP rules, local addressing keep your devices streamlined, so your TV, cameras, phones, laptops don't use more internet speed than allocated to them. Thanks for watching.